friends, and welcome back to music class. This week we are going to do something similar to last week with music dictation. Do you remember what music dictation means? Dictation means to hear something and then write it down. And if you remember, last week we practiced music dictation where I would clap a rhythm and you would write it down. And this is kind of hard to do. In fact, I'm very, very proud of how you guys have been doing because it can be kind of tricky. But it's so good for your little brain to practice something like this. So I thought that it would be a good thing to incorporate into music class this year. So last week we practiced rhythm dictation, and this week we are going to practice rhythm dictation, but it's going to be a little bit harder, okay? So this week we are going to be practicing dictation with this note. I don't think we incorporated this last week. We are going to be incorporating this note into our rhythm dictation, and this is the half note, right? And how many beats does the half note get? 2. Good. So let's just get started. I'll get started with an easy one that we did last week, just to kick us off and help us remember how to do rhythm dictation. So if you want to go grab a pencil or paper or a little whiteboard and marker to help you with this video, you can go ahead and do that. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So here is the first rhythm I want you guys to write down. Okay, ready? Okay. I'll do it one more time. So write down what you think it is. And I'm going to write down what it is, and then you can check and see if you got the right answer, okay? So this is what I just clapped, and this is a review one. We did this last week. You should have this. Okay, so if you didn't get it right, that's okay. This kind of stuff is hard, and this is just good practice. So now we are going to be doing another one, okay? Watch carefully for this one, okay? I'll do it again. I'll do it one last time. Okay, so take a moment, write down what you think. I clapped. What kind of note did I just clap? I clapped half notes, right? So I did it, because a half note goes like this. 1, 2. That's how you clap a half note. And I clapped 2 of them right in a row. I just went 1, 2, 1, 2. So you would just write down 2 half notes like this. And that's what you would write down. Okay? So let's try another one, okay? I'll do it again. I'll do it one last time. Okay, I'll give you a minute to write it down, and then I'll write it down, and we'll see if you got the same answer. Ready? Here is the right answer. Because I did 1, 2, plum, plum. I did a half note, and then I did 2 quarter notes. Let's try another one. Ready? Let's see. Ready? This one's going to be a little bit harder. Let's try it again. I'll do it one more time. Okay, write down what you think it is. And here is the right answer. Because I did plum, rest, 1, 2. I did a quarter note, plum the quarter note, I did rest, and then I did a half note. So, all right, we are going to do, we're going to do 2 more. And this next one will be a normal one, and then the last one will be a bonus one, okay? So here's the next one. Okay, I'll do it again. And I'll do it one more time. Okay, write down what you think it was. Ready? Here's the answer. Because I had half note, plum, the quarter note, rest. I had 1, 2, plum, rest. Okay? Alright, so this last one is going to be a bonus one, okay? It's going to be a little bit longer than the ones we have done, okay? So, I'll do it a couple times and listen very closely and see if you can get this bonus one, okay? Actually, first I should write down what I'm doing so that I don't forget. Okay, I know what I'm doing. This way I don't forget because it's going to be longer. Ready? Okay, I'll do it again. I'll do it 2 more times. Okay, and I'll do it one more time. Ready? Okay, so write down what you think it is. Here is the right answer. Because I had half note, rest, rest, and then I just had plum, 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 plum. Okay? This one is kind of tricky, but the better we get at doing our rhythm dictation, the longer rhythms we can do, and that's when it starts to get kind of challenging and also really fun. So friends, that is all for music this week. I hope you enjoyed it. As I mentioned in my last video that I posted yesterday, you guys are getting really, really good at reading music, and that is just making me so happy, and I'm so proud of you guys. Keep up the good work, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.